as a device associate role. Joining date on March 4, 2024. I joined in QSpiders in May 2023. Completed entire course in December 2023. Past 1 month I searching for the job in through software related jobs. Last month I attended interview in Amazon company January 24. Yesterday they sent mail for a selected mail and got placed in there. Because of I get knowledge in QSpiders in this testing related knowledge. Thanks for our staffs and team members. So everything I will give credit to the staff members, Harsha sir, and Bharat sir, and Tapri sir, and Nandan Kumar sir for automation testing subject.